Hello, my name is Suleiman, a mathematics teacher from Sheikh Abubakar Gumi Academy. Well, it's good to use this medium to reach you. How is your break? I do hope you are making good use of your break. You have to revise, at least you have this chance to revise what you have been taught so that you will not forget. Okay? Just be careful. That is it. Here is a scheme of work, JSS2, JSS1 mathematics third term. We are going to start and see what we have in week 1 and week 2. That is area and perimeter. Okay? Remember, we have two shapes. Some are regular and some are not, or simply some are irregular. Okay, let us quickly discuss about regular and irregular shape. Then this symbol, this something like this, you can tell what is the name of this thing, of this shape. I believe you can tell. Okay, you can tell. Of course, when you see something like this, it is triangle. Okay, that means three straight lines joined together. It has a special name, that is triangle. This is triangle, this is circle, this is a rectangle. Okay, any shape that has name that we can name, they are regular. Okay, these are regular, like parallelogram, kite, rhombus, square. Okay, they are called regular shape. Okay, we can find their area. Okay, we can find their area. We are coming to that. Okay, now I want you to name this something like this. Remember, this is a triangle. Okay, this is a circle, and this is rectangle. Okay, now I want you to name this. Okay, take all the line to be straight line. Sorry for this. Okay, pause your video now and tell me the name of this shape. Of course, it has no name. Okay, what else will you call it? Will you call it rectangle, square, kite? This is what we call irregular shape. Okay, irregular because it does not fall in any of the known shape. It has no name. Okay, and all irregular shape, we cannot find their areas. Okay, we can find the perimeters, whether regular or irregular, but irregular shapes, we cannot find their area. We have to divide them, okay, partition them so that it forms a regular shape before we can find their area. Okay, now let us talk more about perimeter. Okay, that is perimeter. Okay, distance round a shape. Okay, this is a rectangle. The perimeter of this rectangle is to the length. You measure it from here to here. Let's say it is 10. Remember, if from here to here is 10, here is also 10. Okay, and if here is 5, here is also 5. So the perimeter of this rectangle now is the sum of everything. That means 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, and then 10 plus 5 again, 15, 15, that is 30. Okay, if you add everything, is 30. Okay, remember I said distance round a shape. Then if I ask you, let me draw the same rectangle. Okay, let us, this diagonal be, okay, let the diagonal be 10, let here be 8, let here be 4. Okay, now we are to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Remember, it is distance around a shape. Okay, in your compound, the fence of your house is the perimeter of your house. In your school, the fence of your school, okay, the fence of your school, okay, the school is here. Okay, the perimeter is the fence. Okay, it doesn't matter from here to here, the measurement, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter inside. So if I need to find the perimeter of this rectangle, I don't need to add this 10. Okay, it's just 8, 4. Here is also 8, here is also 4. Okay, distance around a shape. Then remember, we can use formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle, like here, perimeter is 2 into L plus B. That's the formula for perimeter. But what I'm trying to point out is that we don't really need formula to solve perimeter. Okay, we can find from the side, we can find the perimeter, except circle. Okay, the perimeter of a circle it has a special name, which is called circumference. okay, of which the circumference equal 2 pi r. Apart from circle, any other shape we can find the perimeter without formula, okay, like even the perimeter of a square, like square, the four sides are equal. Okay, if here is L, here is L, here is L, here is L. No, we just add everything. That means L plus L plus L plus L. How many L? 4L. We now say perimeter is 4L. Even that of rectangle, that is wave that is equal to into length plus breadth. It is from the calculation that we derive the formula. Okay, so we should know that we can find the perimeter of any shape without formula except circle. Okay. Let us look at area. Then we have area as well. Area is the distance covered, or amount of space taken. That is area. Okay, like I told you earlier, we cannot find area of irregular shape. We can only find area of regular shape. Okay, here is a rectangle. We have length, we have breadth. Okay, sorry, this length is not, the g here is not always pronounced. When you say length, this g here is not silent. Just like English, when you say English, this g, is always pronounced English. So when you say length, this length, most people don't, this g here, most people don't pronounce it. It is pronounced, it is length. Like you can check a dictionary. Okay, so area of a rectangle, remember it is a regular shape. It is length times breadth. Okay, if the length is 5 and the breadth is 4, so area is just 5 times 4, which is 20. If it is meter, it will be meter square, because we are talking about area. If it is centimeter, it will be what? Centimeter square. Okay, then for square, the length, remember this, the sides are equal. If one side is 5, it is 5 all over. Okay, area, let's say a square with side 5, you just multiply the measurement 2 times, square, you just square it. To find the area of a square, just give me the length. Whatever you give me, I square it, or I multiply it twice. That is the area. So a square that has a length of 5 centimeter, the area is just side square, which is 5 square, which is 5 times 5, which is 25. If it is meter, it will be meter square. If it is centimeter, it will be centimeter square. Okay, then we are also going to look at area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half times base times height. Okay, then this is the height, this is the height, this is the base. Or another way this can be summarized, area is base times height over 2. You can actually multiply the base by the height and you divide by 2. Okay, so let's say the height is 8 and the base is 10. Okay, so the base is 10 and the height is 8. So we now have area of this triangle is the base, which is 10, times the height, which is 8, over 2. You can multiply before you divide, but the best way is to cancel. You cancel before you divide. Okay, so you cancel and then simplify your answer. Okay, like 2 here 1, 2 here 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, if it is centimeter, it will be centimeter square. Okay, now here is a shape. I hope you can copy this later. So let us quickly look at this. This is irregular shape. Like I told you, you cannot find area of irregular shape. Okay, you have to divide it into a smaller shape, into smaller regular shape. Okay, as you're doing that, you have to be very careful because you have a target. From the figure, you can easily find your way. Okay, okay, let's see if it is going to work like this. Yeah, it is, because we now have two shapes here, regular. This is a rectangle. This is also this is a square, because here is 2, here is 2. Don't mind my diagram, because after all, here is longer, but let us take it as square, because 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay, in the first rectangle, or in the first shape, it is now regular because we have divided it into 2. Okay, area of this area of A of this shape is length times the breadth. Okay, the length is 6 and the breadth is 4. 6 times 4, that is what? 24 centimeter square. Okay, that is length. The second one, area of B, the second shape is square. That means area of a square is L square. So we now have 2 square, that is 2 times 2, that is 4 centimeter square. Okay, now the total area is the area of the triangle and that of square, that is 24 plus 4, which is 28. Let's assume you have in your room, you want to buy rug. Okay, you can't just go to the market and because you have money just, okay, give me a rug of 5,000, 10,000. Okay, maybe a yard is like this, a yard is 1,000, then you just say give me a rug of 50,000. So you have to know the area of your room so that you can find the exact size. Okay, it is really helpful. Okay, and let us look at area circle, because circle is a special shape. Okay, like I said, in a circle, unlike other shapes, we can find the perimeter without formula, but circle is not like that. Okay, remember from here to here is radius. Let's assume the radius of this circle is 14 centimeter. So in most cases they have to tell us the value of pi. Okay, pi, which is either 22/7 or 3.142. Let's assume this circle has a radius of 14 centimeter. How can we find the area and perimeter? Okay, remember the perimeter of a circle is something as circumference. Okay, perimeter of a circle is special. It is calculated in a special way. So, and it also have a special name, which is circumference. Okay, here the area of this circle, for instance, a circle with a radius of 14, area is pi r square. Then let's assume we have this circle with radius 14 centimeter. So let us look at the circumference and area. Okay, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. Okay, a pi is always 22/7 or 3.142. So here the radius is 14. So we just have to substitute pi, that is 22/7, times the radius, that is 14/1. Okay, so what do? We cancel 7 here, 1, 7 and 14, 2. 2 times 22, 44. 44 times 2, 88. Okay, it is perimeter, so we don't need to put square, or so it's just if it's centimeter, it's just centimeter. If it's in meter, it's in meter. Then area of this circle, area is pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square, and pi is 22/7, and the radius is 14. That means 14 square. Okay, we can break it down into this, that is 22/7 times 14/1 times 14/1. Okay, so let us cancel. We can cancel at this point. 7 can go in 14 if you look at it. 7 here, 1, 7 here, 2. Okay, so that we now have 22 times 14 times 2. Okay, 22 times 14, that is 308. Okay, times 2, that is 616 centimeter square. Okay, I hope this really help to revise your book. If you have to study new things, use this opportunity to learn new things. Okay, and also what you have done, learn in the past, this is a good opportunity for you to go over it and make sure that you get it correctly this time around. Okay, don't just spend your break sleeping, watching film and all that. You have to make good use of it. Even us teachers, we still have to make research. Okay.